In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an element in Base44. We'll walk through this process together step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to delete any element you don't need from your layout without touching any code. This is especially helpful when you're cleaning up a design, simplifying a page, or fixing sections that no longer fit your content. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and that you've opened the project or app you want to edit. Once you're inside the project, look for the option labeled Visual Edit. This is usually located in the main interface where you manage your pages or screens. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. The Visual Edit mode is where you can see your page as your users would see it, but with editing controls layered on top. Think of it as a live preview that you can directly interact with. Give it a second to load, especially if your project is large or has a lot of components. Once the visual editor is open, move your mouse over the page and start hovering over the different sections and elements. As you move around, you'll notice that certain parts of the page highlight or show outlines. These highlights indicate individual elements, such as text blocks, buttons, images, or entire sections. Now find the specific element you want to remove. Take a moment to be sure you're selecting the right thing. For instance, if you only want to remove a button, make sure you're not selecting the entire container that holds both the button and other content. When you're confident you've highlighted the correct element, click on it to select it. You should see some sort of selection state appear, such as a border, handles, or a toolbar, indicating that element is active. With the element selected, look for a small trash icon, usually located near the selected element or in a contextual toolbar on the side or top of the editor. This icon represents the delete action. Hover over it to confirm it's for deleting, then click the trash icon. As soon as you click it, the element will be removed from the canvas. Some setups may ask you to confirm the deletion or might allow you to undo if you change your mind, so keep an eye out for an undo option or shortcut. After deleting, review your layout to make sure everything still looks the way you want, and then save or publish your changes if required by your workflow. That's all there is to it. Open Visual Edit, select the element, and click the trash icon to remove it.